Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut lag problem on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Okay, so first up, open up CapCut or the CapCut manager right here. Click on the gear icon at the top and then just click on settings. And then in here, go ahead and wait for the cache size right here to pop up and just click on delete and hit on OK. Once that's done, go ahead and go to performance. And then here, go ahead and enable speed up hardware encoding and speed up hardware decoding. Also, render interface with GPU if you do have a GPU. If you don't have a graphics card, disable it. Auto optimizations, you can enable smart optimizations, okay? It will automatically turn on proxy, auto remux, and other strategies for lagging clips to ensure a smooth playback and editing experience. But if you don't want to enable it, just follow these settings. Enable auto remux right here. And then most importantly, turn on proxy. And then once that's done, click on save. Now after that, open up a project, for example, this one. And then go ahead over to modify right here at the bottom right. Change the aspect ratio. And this is just for your timeline, by the way. When you go ahead and go to performance right here, proxy resolution, 720p or 540p. If you have a laggy computer, you just got to use 540p. Okay, and go back to details right here. Okay, and then once that's done, we have here the frame rate. Just leave it to 60. But if it's still laggy, you can use 30 FPS right here. Now, once that's done, hit on save. Now, most importantly, right here, when you go ahead and import, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and import this file. Hit on open. Okay, wait for this time until it changes to the text called proxy. As you can see here, it says generating proxy. So if I were you, if you have a ton of videos that you wanted to edit, import them all, go ahead and grab a coffee, okay? Take a walk outside. And when you go ahead and go back, all of your videos will now be proxied. So when you go ahead and enter a video right here under your timeline that is not proxied, well, unfortunately, it will lag, even if you have a powerful computer, okay? I do have a decent computer right here, but I prefer editing when a video is proxied. Okay, so let's just wait for it just for you to see. As you can see here, it's almost done. So it says here proxy. You can now then go ahead and add it to your timeline. Okay, and edit however you want. As you can see here, you can cut faster, just like so. As easy as that. And that is how you fix CapCut lag or CapCut lag problem on PC. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.